Yes, so people, before I start the video, I just want to say this. I'm tired of the crime status in Jamaica and the world at large. I'm tired of the bad man them who say them a gunman and just a walk and a kill off the people them. I'm tired of the man them where just a use and abuse the girls them and a kill them off. I'm tired of the child abuser them where just a abuse and a take disadvantage of the picnic them and a kill them off viewers and subscribers. I'm just tired of everything.
What really pushed this woman over the fence? If you tell me the truth.
What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and I'm just praying that each and every one of you is having a very peaceful and prosperous day, night, etc. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make we kick it off like a ball.
Roberto Carlos hardball with the sex, so we don't worry, yo, Cornwall.
I don't know why her mother named her Grace, but your grace, God of glory, has kept us. Your grace has given us chances after chances. I pray now, deliver her. It doesn't matter what she did to me. I pray now, God, you know as I hold my hand up, I've never done evil to her, never. I had loved her, God. I had loved her, God of glory, with a pure loving heart. And I was dear for her, God. You be dear for her now. Please, God. Please, God. Bring her back. Bring her back out of that darkness into your light. Let your light shine upon her, God. Strengthen her, God. Give her another chance.
Yes, so people, coming up in this video today, Marian Hall put out a video saying that female dancehall artist Spice had do a surgery and she catch heart attack and fall into coma. Well, nothing like that, people. Marian Hall come out and clear up her name and just make the people them know say she never said nothing like that. Likewise, Spice management team reach out and clear the air. So people, you know the drill already. We are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the story. So don't go nowhere, we're soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Now people, Spice booking agent has confirmed to Shade's Room that the dancehall queen is not in a coma. Report said she suffered complications during a cosmetic procedure. Although we are unaware of the state of her health, he has reassured us that Spice has never been in a coma. So people, that is what Spice booking agency has to say. So basically people, what the booking agency has said is that Spice never go in a coma, etc. Basically Spice do her surgery and them little thing there, and some little thing go on viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? Yeah, man. So anyways, people, I want to leave an honest opinion down into the comment section and tell me what you think. Now, people, yesterday Marian Hall do a live and she just tell the people them and just make the people them really know what go down with she and Spice. And people, it really look like say I set up Marian Hall, you know, really talk, no joke. But anyways, people, I just one of them there, they still where you know anything bad can happen, and you don't know, you always gotta have people where I try to bring certain thing out of you. So right now, viewers and subscribers, me are gonna make you listen what Marian Hall has to say.
Blessings, everyone. So I want to get something clear today. I need to talk to people who are attention seekers. When you're seeking attention, I don't know why you all choose to come on my page with it. This morning while I was doing my prayer and fasting service, someone came on my page and telling me to pray for Spice. And I told the person, don't start no trouble now, you know. I said, I know you all love to come on this page and bring her name up for me to say something, for you all to mix me up. I didn't have any idea about what is going on social media concerning her. So when I got off, here goes some other people calling me and telling me, yes, it's true. She had a heart attack. during surgery. But then I went on, as you see, and I prayed because I seriously didn't know something was really going on about her. But then I called some people who would have known, and these were credible people, and I said, what's going on? But then nobody could confirm this. So I just want you all to know, people who seek attention and people who like to get, you know, whatever reason you choose to come on my page, you know, for mix up, and why you chose my page to come and talk. I mean, this can happen to anybody, you know. People get sick, people go through difficulties, you know what I'm saying? And yes, it's a risk concerning surgery, but when I look into it, I'm like, this don't sound right. You know, this don't sound right, because what they're trying to do is to get me to go and, you know, I'm praying for this lady and her family, and I saw that, okay, this is a trick, it's a setup. Oh, so they chose my page, and then they're like, oh yes, it's, and I'm like, oh my God, the lady come on and asked me to pray for her, and I didn't pray for her. Oh my God, I don't want them to think I wouldn't pray. As a woman of God, I have to pray. I have to pray seriously for her. Yes, I got emotional, but you know what, people? You need to sit down and seriously look at yourself. You seem like you don't have a life, and you love attention so much. You're attention seekers, and you come out seeking attention for what reason? I don't know. But next time you want to come out with your rumors and to, you know, try to make me a part of it and use my name to say I'm spreading this rumor, find another page. Find another page. Yeah, because I seriously thought something was happening. But then you're gonna hear, oh, it's me who started this rumor. It's not me. You all started this rumor from yesterday. I didn't know. People were saying, yes, it's from yesterday. But next time you seeking attention, don't come on my pages. Don't come on my page with your foolishness, and I'm sure gonna look for your name and block you all today. I'm going to block you all today, because now you're ready. You just wanted me to say something, you know, and then you start running with my name. You caught me really good, because, you know, it was really, wow, it really touched me like, oh my God, I thought she was just seeking trouble, but actually you were seeking trouble on my page. Next time, find another page. Find another page, because when you see people cry wolf, wolf, wolf for whatever attention you want, wolf, 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 yes, this is because you're looking attention. One day you're gonna play, and when you come and say, oh, it was a joke, it's gonna be too late. Yeah. Don't come back on my page with your foolishness, okay? When you want to spread rumor about somebody's life, something that serious, find another page and stop sending things to my phone. Find another page. Yeah? God don't play. You don't play with God. You don't do that. Yeah? So you all want to say it's me. Now you're running up and down, all you bloggers, whoever pay you, whoever this, that, and you're saying, I say, when it's people all over running up and down with this news. Whoever started it, for whatever attention you're seeking, one day you're going, because you are so desperate to be seen. My God, you're that desperate to be seen. My God.
So people, basically what Marian all say, just some people are try to seek attention and just a try to mix up she and Spice. She also stated that the person who did this caught her good viewers and subscribers, because it was like she didn't expect it, because she know how people stay, but based on what the person said in the comment section telling her to pray for Spice, so basically she start to feel remorse for Spice and start feel sorry for Spice, because she has said this can happen to anybody. You understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers? And she is a child of God and she have to do the right thing and just pray for Spice. You understand what I mean? But anyways, people, tell me what you think down into the comment section. Share your opinion, share your thoughts. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I upload any video. So peace, viewers and subscribers. I'm out.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me up on Jamaica.